Hello students, I am Ms.R.Suba, Department of Computer Science SFR College, Sivagasi. Today we are going to discuss about the topic master pages in web technology. Let's move on to the topic. In this master pages, we are going to discuss about how we are going to create a master page, working of master pages and connecting master page and content page. A master page in ASP.NET is a template that defines the layout and visual structure of one or more web pages on a website. That is, a master page is not a content page, but it does the same work what a content page does. It allows developers to create a consistent look and feel across multiple pages by defining common elements such as headers, footers, and navigation menus in a single location. That is, with help of master pages, we are going to create headers, footers, and navigation menus. Child pages can then inherit the layout and visual elements of the master page while still being able to define their own unique content. A single master page defines the look and feel and stand behavior that you want for all the pages in your application. Master pages can also improve the performance and security of a website by caching. Caching is nothing but it is a property of a memory management. So master pages helps to improve the memory management with the help of your application. Next we are going to discuss how we are going to create a master page. So in order to use a master page, we have to create the master page first. According to the Visual Basic.NET, we have various steps to create master pages. Let us see these steps one by one. The first step is we have to open the Visual Studio and create a new web project. To create a master page, first we have to open the Visual Studio and create a new web project. Right click on the project in Solution Explorer and select Add New Item. We have to right click on the project window and select Add New Item. By clicking the Add New Item, the dialog box appears. In that we have to select master page from the list of templates. By clicking the Add New Item, a list of templates will be available. We have to click the master page in the available templates. Give the master page a name and click Add. We have to select the master page. After selecting the master page in the list, we have to give a name and click Add. Give a name for our master page we are going to create for this application, and we have to click Add so that the master page will be added to our application. The master page will be added to a project and opened in the designer view. Now we can add after adding the master page to our application, we can add any elements like headers, footers, navigation menus, so on and etc. Once you have finished designing the master page, after designing the entire master page, we have to create a new web page that uses the master page. So first we have created the master page and kept aside. Now we have to create a new page in which we are going to use the master page which we created before. Right click on your project in one Solution Explorer and select Add New Item. Again we are going to add a new web page. So we have to choose same Add New Item. After clicking the Add New Item, a dialog box appears and we have to choose web form in that. By choosing the web form, we will have a new web page in our own application. The same way how we gave name to the master page, for the web form also we have to give a name which will be convenient for us to use further. After giving the name, click Add. Now our new web page will be added to our current application. In the newly created web page, you can now select the master page from the list of available master pages. We can not only create one master page for our application, we can also create many master pages for our application available. So in the newly created web page, you can now select the master page from the list of available master pages. Now we have added the web page as well as master page to our application. Now we can define the content placeholders. So first we created a master page, next we created a web page. Now we are going to define the content placeholder. You can define a content placeholder on the master page to define where the content from the child pages will appear. That is, the content placeholder will decide where the child pages will appear in your application. The last step, you can now add add content to the child pages and it will be ridered within the master page. So first we created a master page, next we created our own web form, next we created the content placeholder for our web pages, so that the master page, the web page and the content placeholder can seem to be a single website. This is how master pages are created. First we have to create a master page, next we have to create our own web page, third we have to create the content placeholders. After creating master pages, web pages and content placeholders, the three must be linked in order to form a single proper website. Next we are going to discuss about the working of master pages, that is how a master pages works. A master page in an ASP.NET file with the extension .master. That is, to create, after creating a master page, we have to save the master page with the extension .master with the predefined layout that can include static text, HTML elements and server controls. So the extension for master page is .master. After creating the extension and saving the master page, we can predefine the layout of the master page, which includes static text, that is similar to alphabets, numbers, characters, constants. Whatever the text we are going to use comes under the category static text. Next we are going to use the HTML elements. It resembles the tags which we use in HTML for designing our web pages. The last one is server controllers, which is going to connect our web page through the server control that places the main role. So in master pages, the three main contributes are static text, HTML elements and server controls. The static text is the text we use, the HTML elements is used to design our web page and server control is used to connect our web page through the database. A master page is identified by a special master directive that replaces the page directive that is used for ordinary .aspx pages. After creating the master page will be linked to our web page we created. Master page alone will be saved with the extension .master. After linking the master page with our web page, it should be saved as .aspx pages. When new pages are added to the site, you can associate them with the master page. How many web pages we are adding, it should be associated to the master page we created. A page that is associated with the master page is called a content page. So in our application, we can have any number of master pages and any number of content pages. Content pages is nothing but the web forms that we create, but that is not the master page. So application must contain a master page, not only one master page, it can have 2 or 3 master pages. After having the master pages, we should create a content page which is going to contain our actual content. Every content page must be associated or linked with the master pages we have created before. As a master page can contain any number of content placeholder controls, that is, a master page can have any number of content pages. Content pages can have any number of content placeholders. By default, content pages content controls are empty so that you can provide your own content. By default, the content placeholders will be empty. As a user, we can fill the content placeholders with our content which we want to be in the website. So this is how the master pages works. We have to create a master page, create the content page and make them link together and work together. After linking the master page and web pages, we can fill the content placeholders with our own content which we want to be in our website. After we have to link the master page and content page with the help of content placeholder ID. After giving the content placeholder ID, we can fill the content placeholders with our own content in the web pages. Next is replaceable content placeholder. In addition to static text and controls that will appear on all pages, a master page also includes one or more content placeholder controls. Like how our web page is having one or more content placeholders, our master pages are also having one or more content placeholders. These placeholder controls define regions where replaceable content will appear. In master pages, the content placeholders are replaceable. The web pages we created cannot have content placeholder that is replaceable, but master pages can have content placeholders that is going to be replaceable. In turn, the replaceable content is defined in content pages. To define that my content placeholder is replaceable, we have to change the attribute ASP colon content placeholder ID is equal to main, then ASP colon content placeholder ID is equal to footer. Next we are going to discuss about the content pages. So far we discussed about the master pages, how to create a master page, what is the working of the master page, and what are the content placeholders, and how master pages can have replaceable content placeholders. Next we are going to discuss about content pages. Content pages define the content for the master pages placeholder controls by creating individual content pages which are ASP.NET pages that are bound to a specific master page. That is, content pages are nothing but a web page, but which is going to give content to the master pages placeholders, master pages content placeholders. The binding is established in the content pages page directive by including a master page file attribute that points to the master page to be used. A master page might have content placeholders called main or footer. The master pages will have two main content placeholders. One is referred as main and the next one is referred as footer. So, in master pages we have two content placeholders. The purpose of the content page is to fill the content placeholders in the master pages. That is, the main content placeholder and the footer content placeholder in the master pages are to be filled by the content pages in the web pages we created. Master page file should be given as master page file is equal to master pages, then the name of the master page we created should be given within the backslash. Then we have to give the title of the content page, so that the master page and the content page will be associated together. Connecting master page and content page. So, we have created a master page separately, we have created a content page separately. The content page is going to fill the content in the placeholders of master pages, that is the main content placeholder and the footer content placeholder. The association between a master page and a content page can be configured in one or four different ways. So, that is, a content page and a master page can be linked or associated in four different ways. The first one is using page directives, the second one is using page tag, the third one is using page tag subfolders, the subfolders available in the page tag. The fourth one is with the help of commands and menus we have in our ASP.NET. So, connecting master pages and content pages can be done in four ways. First one is using page directives, second one is using page tag, third one is using subfolders in the page tag, and the fourth one is the commands and menus which are available in the VB.NET. Next we are going to discuss about the advantages or benefits of master pages. Why we need master pages in VB.NET? The first one is consistent layout. Master pages ensure consistent layout. Second one is code reuse. Once a master page is created, I can use the same code to create as many number of master pages for in the future. Third one is easy maintenance. As compared to content pages, master pages are very easy to maintain and easy to save and easy to use. The fourth one is improved organization. We are creating master pages, we are creating content pages. We are creating the created content pages are linked to the master pages, which improves organization. So, master pages plus content pages plus content placeholders together make an improved organization. So, the applications which have a master pages are considered to be more efficient than the other applications. Fifth one, it enhances security. The application which has its master pages, the security will be enhanced. So, that is the unauthorized users will be able to access our application which was developed for any purposes. The sixth one is better performance. Master pages ensure better performance compared to applications which do not have a master page. Master pages allows you to centralize the common function of your page. In our application, if we have 10 content pages and 1 master pages, the one master page will take over the control of all the other 10 content pages. So the application seems to be very secured, well organized, and the performance will be very higher. So the benefits are consistent layout, code reuse, easy maintenance, improved organization, enhanced security, and better performance. These are the advantages we are going to discuss. Okay, first we have created a master page and how the master page works. We discussed how the master page works. The third one we discussed about the content pages. What are master pages and what are content pages? Next, how the content placeholders are created in master pages, and the content pages fill the content in the content placeholders of master pages. The master pages are an essential tool for creating consistent, maintainable websites in ASP.NET. So, the websites which are having master pages will be more efficient, more consistent, and it will be easy to maintain and provide many benefits such as code reuse, easy maintenance, improved organization, better performance, and security. Also, master pages are very handy tool. It will be very easy to use. Anyone who doesn't know VB.NET also can take a concept of master pages and can create a new website. It is that easy. The master page file attribute make it easy to apply to master page to a particular ASP.NET page. That is, one master page can associated or can be linked to any number of content pages, and the content pages will be able to help the content placeholders which are available in the master pages to be filled. So that's about the master pages. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.